Hey guys, here's some really cool apps called FAMEFY, which is a really interesting app. I just tried it out. So the idea of this app is like you can imagine what will happen if you're like mega influencer on TikTok or Instagram and you have millions of followers, and in this app you can kind of start a fake live stream, and then you can have fake viewers which are basically AI bots, and you can just customize how many viewers you can have and all of that, how many comments you might have, and then just play with that. And you can do even in a free version. Just in the paid version you can do more granular filters, and you can set up different categories of your fans and all of that. So basically also you can customize here how many viewers you want to get. So in the free version you will only get like 500 live viewers, but you can buy up to 400,000 viewers if you just buy it via coins. And then you can select different themes. You can use it for TikTok or Instagram. There are different types of gifts. So that's just what it is. Then there are settings where you can record live stream and share it. You can also buy coins. So for example, let's just try it out. So here how it starts, and then you can just imagine this is like a live stream on Instagram, and in the bottom left you kind of see all the fans who are messaging you, and then basically they're just listening to you, and you can also talk to different topics and ask them different questions. And this is like ChatGPT, and they will just reply to your questions. You can ask something like, what is a nice movie to watch? I'm just looking for some movie to watch, guys. I'm just looking for your recommendations. So you can see there will be some replies, and also the stuff you're saying here, it also will be analyzed by AI, and it will be used in like social media feeds, like fake social media feeds. So it's pretty cool, and unfortunately you can't tap on all of these buttons. These all buttons are kind of fake, so that's just what it is. And you can just see a number of viewers in top right, and the only thing you can just do, you can just close it. That's basically the process. And then you can just end live, and then here whispers, it's basically this tool just analyzes the text and kind of creates fake tweets to create kind of a simulation that people like kind of listen to your live stream and then share it on social, and then you will just see it here. So it's pretty cool. So that's the idea. I mean, don't take this app too seriously. Again, these are all bots. These are not real people, but it can just boost your self-confidence. It can just help you out in imagining that you can really have that many live viewers, and just you can practice as well. So pretty cool app. And then if you want to upgrade, you'll use, there is 3-day free trial, and then there is lifetimes for $35.